Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of rewards and savings with the Rakuten Visa credit card. If you're new to this card or just want a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's break it down step by step so you can start maximizing your benefits right away. First off, what exactly is the Rakuten Visa credit card? It's a credit card offered by Rakuten, designed to help you earn cash back on everyday purchases. It's linked to the Visa network, so you can use it almost anywhere that accepts Visa cards, both online and in stores. Step 1. Activating your card. Once you receive your card in the mail, head to the Rakuten website or app. You'll need to log into your account, find the activation section, and follow the prompts. It usually takes just a few minutes. Don't skip this, as your card won't work until it's activated. Next, making purchases is straightforward. Swipe, tap, or enter your card details just like any other credit card. But here's where it gets exciting. With Rakuten, you earn cash back on eligible purchases. For example, you might get 1 to 5% back on categories like dining, groceries, or online shopping. Keep an eye on the Rakuten portal to see bonus offers that can boost your earnings. Now, managing your account is key to staying on top of things. Use the Rakuten app or website to check your balance, view transactions, and track your rewards. Set up alerts for unusual activity to keep your account secure. And remember, always pay your bill on time to avoid interest charges and maintain a good credit score. One more tip. For extra savings, link your card to the Rakuten cashback portal. When you shop through their site, you can stack rewards and get even more bang for your buck. It's that simple. In conclusion, the Rakuten Visa credit card is a fantastic tool for savvy shoppers. By following these steps, you'll be earning rewards in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy spending.